Hi guys, come trade with George Frio. Today I'm going to showcase a video sent by one of my students who used the ultimate 14 indicator combo settings that we offered in our last video. He used it and got 100% success from every trade. It was 100% success on every trade. Let's just fast forward to all his trades. And now this is the first one. He started recording from here. As you can see, it was a new opening here, but he took it here. That's why he got that particular trade. He took it here mainly because of this value from the ADX. The ADX tells the ADX and Widi tells you where to come in terms of new and existing trends. This is an existing trend. He put it here because he saw the en blanc value. Yeah, and for digital options you can exit anytime you want. So that's what he did there. He was kind of afraid, but he still got 71% out of that. Here's another one, another entry, the oblong ADX oblong here, oblong valley. There's an ADX valley here, ADX valley, and a new entry signal from Woody. As you can see, everything is green. This is up and facing upward. This is blue, just like our green as well, green. So that's how you want that particular one, guys. If you want the ultimate 14 indicator combo settings, it's just down the description. You're going to see a link to it, to a PDF that explains more about the settings and how to set up the indicators. Here's another new entry. We call it new entry because it is not an existing trend. You can see it just came in, so we call this a new entry, and it's a viable entry because of this valley here. This ushered in, this one was telling him this is a new, wow, and he cut this off. Why did he do that? It was going well. Did he? I don't know. Let's wait. As you can see, this was a new entry. It shows a new starting of a new trend or a new direction, actually, not necessarily a trend, but this is the signal to enter. This is when you enter. He entered a bit late, but he got it though. Just to work off the ultimate 14 indicator combo. Wow, and he switched up. I taught him some money management, so that's what he's doing. From ones he goes to 1.5, from 1.5 to 2, then he continues adding 50 cents trader. Yes, this is another new entry. This is the signal to enter this value here. So what he mainly did was to enter new entries. He didn't really go for existing trends. Like this is one existing trend, but it's not viable because ADX is inconclusive. If you watched the last video or you happen to have the PDF of the ultimate 14 indicator combo settings, you're going to see why this is one of our signals to enter an existing trend, but it's not necessarily a trend because of ADX. I've shown you that. Besides, this is inconclusive. Okay, so I think this is another one he should take advantage of. The value of the ADX is forming here. Did he take advantage of this? Did he? Oh yes, he did. He did. He just did. Okay. Okay. There's so much to see. Oh, this is so healthy because there's a space in between. Yes, I think he got this trade, but out of skepticism, he said his piece with 38% instead of leaving it to the end. Now he was skeptic though, but if he left it to the end, I think he could have gotten a trade as well. But that's the advantage of trading digital options. Thank you so much for watching. To the next episode. Trade well.